Welcome back. Today I'll be doing a jade green set with an aquarium nail for the accent nail. I've done aquarium nails a couple times before, and I usually do it with the full nail being liquid, but I didn't like how bulky it would look. So I was looking at some videos and I saw that there's another way to do it with just the tip of the nail being the aquarium nail. So that's how I'm going to do this one today. I'll post the links to those videos in the description. I've already prepped the nails, applied the tips, and cut them down to my desired length. And now I'm going to go in with a thin layer of clear acrylic. What you see in that acrylic is silver holographic glitter. I just ran out of clear acrylic powder, and the powder that I ordered weeks before got lost in the mail. So this entire set will be done with this clear powder with glitter. For the ring finger, I'm going to be using a form to create the nail. I don't usually use forms. I like tips. They're easier for me, and I struggle with forms, but I need this nail to have a deep curve for the aquarium nail. I'm taking a couple beads of acrylic and putting it on some wax paper and flattening it down and stretching it out. One end is going to be a little tapered off so that it's thinner than the other end. And after it starts to cure a little bit, while it's still pliable, I'm going to lift it up, and that will be the back of the aquarium nail. I'm taking the more narrow end of the piece and pushing it inside the base of the nail, and then I take the rest of it and fold it over and push it against the rest of the nail so that it adheres to it as it continues to cure. I cut off the excess and then went in with a little bit of acrylic at the base of the nail just to make sure that that bottom part is completely sealed. Then I went around and did the same thing on the sides. Next, I went in with this glitter mix that I got from eBay, and I applied it just to the top of the nail and had it fade out slightly towards the tip. Then I encapsulated it with the last ounce of clear acrylic that I had left. Then I went in with my drill to smooth everything out and get the shape as perfect as possible before I fill it up. Next, I'm going to take this polish from OPI. It's called Jade is the New Black. And I'm going to apply it to all the nails except the ring finger. Then I encapsulated it with the clear glitter acrylic. If you are wondering why I am encapsulating this polish instead of just painting over a finished nail, whenever I use a non-gel polish, I do this because I find that I don't have to wait for it to dry completely. I also don't have to worry about applying it perfectly because the acrylic covers up all imperfections, and I don't have to worry about any chipping, peeling, or cracking or marks on top of the polish because it is protected underneath the acrylic. Now I'm going to take that glitter mix again and put some inside of the container that I just created. I'm now taking a bead that is way too big and flattening it out, and that's going to be the lid to the container. And while that starts to cure a little bit, I'm taking an eyedropper filled with baby oil and I'm going to fill up the container nail. I'm now taking that extremely oversized piece, putting it on top, pressing it down. I'm going to cut off the excess, and then I'm taking acrylic and putting it all around the top there just to make sure it's really sealed in. Then I'm going to take my drill and gently smooth all that out and also file the rest of the nails. If you look, you can see the glitter inside. The vibration of the drill causes it to move around a little bit. So there it is, the final look. I ended up liking how this holographic glitter looked on top of the green. My original intent was for it to be plain, but I like how this turned out. Though my new clear acrylic is in the mail and is supposed to be here, I believe, today, so I don't have to worry about that happening again. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this design and the aquarium nail. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you get a notification as soon as I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.